Our policy is that you send 2 officers to every call. And with that, that idea has been bought in again from that top down. So on a given day like today, Monday through Friday administrative type day, if a ShotSpotter alert goes out, the admin area is going to clear out. The chief himself is even going to go out there on that call just because it's so important. So that response policy is, first of all, you got to have the buy-in from the officers, and you got to show it's so important to them. And I think somebody like the chief actually responding to those calls too is hugely important. And they see it from our deputy chief to our captains all the way down. And they see that we're all out there trying to help. And they realize, I mean, any evidence that we recover, we're playing this for a long game. If we don't make the arrest right then, we're actually looking for that arrest later on.